Hello viewers, welcome to another video of PC repairs. Today we have in front of us an assembled PC which is assembled or built for gaming purposes, and it was given to me by the customer stating that the PC is dead and is not switching on. Let us go forward and see what the issue is all about and do the required diagnostics and followed by the repair works, and bring this PC back to life. Okay viewers, now we are going to test the PC. Now when I am switching on the gaming PC, you will see that there is absolutely no life and no response when you press down the power button. You will see there is no movement at all. So let's go forward and see what can be done, and I will come back in the next segment with the diagnosis and works done on this PC, and continuing segment will have the PC coming back to life. Okay viewers, welcome back. In this segment we have completed works on this gaming PC, and let's see what the results are. So I'm going to switch on the gaming PC after the works done on it. It was completely dead when it came in for repairs, and let's see what is the status now. So I'm switching it on. You can see that the PC is turned on now, and it is back to life. It's booting into Windows, and that's about it viewers. Another day, another PC back to life. Thanks for watching.